Yes, welcome back to our online mathematics class. Children, we started the chapter Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. And in previous classes, we learned what is a multiple, how to find multiples of a number. Okay, now here, before going to start the class, I want to ask some questions. What is an even number? What is an even number? Can anyone from the class? Even numbers.
Ma'am, two table.
Yes, multiples of 2. In other words, what we can say? The number is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its unit digit. If any number is having these digits in its units place, any number is having these digits, any one of these digits in its units place, we can say that the number is an even number. Then can you give some examples for even numbers? Anyone? Can you give some examples? Even numbers.
Teacher 2, 4,
These
6,
are even
8,
numbers.
0.
These are also even numbers. Yes, 10 is an even number.
Ma'am, two tables.
24 is an even number. 1002 is an even number. Means in units place you must have any one of these digits. While checking the unit digit, you can say whether it is an even number or not. Then what is an odd number? What is an odd number?
Ma'am, an odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7,
Yes,
9.
very good. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If any number is having these digits in units place, any number is having these digits in units place, we can say the number is odd number. The number is odd number. Simply the number which is not divided by 2 exactly and leaving the remainder 1 is an odd number. That also we can say. So then I am asking you one question. Is this number even or odd?
Odd, teacher.
Very good.
Even and odd.
It is having 1 in its units place. It is having 1 in its units place. So the number is odd number. The number is odd number. Very good. Then what about this number? This you can say odd, but instead of odd, okay, odd number here 23. Once observe this number, is unit place is 3, leave it at 1. But when you are checking this number, can it multiply? So do you have any number which is divisible exactly? Can you divide this number exactly with any other number? If you take 2, we cannot divide. 3, no. 4, no. So there we are getting remainder. See here 2, 23. 2 ones are 2. Again get 3. 2 ones are 2. Getting 1 remainder here. Okay, now 3. Divide it with 3. So 2 is less than 3. So we cannot take the first digit. So take 2 digits. 3 table, read it. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. So more than that. So you have to take. So here it is leaving remainder 2. Okay, so when you are dividing this number with any other number, it is not divisible exactly. That means it is not leaving remainder 0. So only this can be divided with 1 and the number itself only. Only this number is divisible by 1 and the number itself only. So 1 into 23 only we can write. Other we cannot write anything. Okay, that means why? Because it is not divisible by any other number. These type of numbers are said to be prime numbers. These type of numbers said to be prime numbers. The number and itself only. It can be divided by the number and itself only. One and the number itself only. So these type of numbers are said to be prime numbers. So they don't have any other numbers which are exactly dividing. Okay. Now, so these are the some basic concepts. Now let us play a game. Okay. Dice game. Yeah. Throw two dice together. What are the numbers that turn up on the faces of the dice? Take a two-digit number using them. If it is a multiple of any number written next to the circles, you can write it in that circle. Then it is next your friend's turn. The one who can write more numbers in 10 rounds is the winner. Okay, if school is there, so we can do it directly. So here I am giving two chances. We will through that die two times. Okay. So what is the rules here? Some circles are given for us. Okay, 6, 4, 5, 7. What you have to do is you have to throw two dice at a time. Okay. Now I am doing that. So here, what are the numbers you can see, ma? What are the numbers you can see on the top of the die?
5, ma'am.
3 and 2.
5.
3 and 2. See properly. Now I am not asking the addition. Just I am asking what numbers you can see there. You can see 3 and 2 there.
3 and
Yes. So on the first die you have 3. On the second die you have 2.
3.
Okay. So on the first die the number is 3. On the second die the number is 2. Isn't it? Now make two-digit number. Now we have to make a two-digit number. Make two-digit number using this mark. Make a two-digit number.
23, ma'am.
23, very good. Now 23. So any number is divisible by 23 here. So here I cannot write 23 divisible by any number. We know that 23 is not divisible by any number. So only it is a prime number. So the number and itself only, that one and the number itself only we have. So 1 into 23 I can write. Okay. So this is a multiple of 23. 23 is multiple of 1 and 23. 23 is multiple of 1 and 23 is multiple of 23 only. Okay. Next. Write another number here. Write another number.
32.
32. Two digits. So now how can we divide 32? In two table. So divide two table with 32. 2 ones are 2. Minus. Now get the second number 12. 2 6 are 12. 0 is remainder. So 2 into 16. Can we divide it into 3? 3 will go in 32. 3 10s are 30. 3 11s are 33. So 3 is not divisible here. Next 4 table. Can anyone say 4 table? How many times it will go? 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. So 32 is multiple of 2, 4, 16 and 8. So here we have some circles. So some circles are given for us. Then we have to write the number in that circle. Okay. See here. So here it is a 23 is a prime number. So it is not multiple of any number. Here we have some numbers. 6, 4, 5, 7. It is not multiple of any of these numbers. Now 32. So 32 is multiple of 4, 8, 2 and 16. So here you have 4. So write the number in the circle of 4. So
You can write it in fourth one, ma'am.
it means 32 is multiple of 4. Okay. Now let us throw the die.
Yes,
Second.
ma'am.
Now what are the numbers you can see on the face? What numbers you can see on the face of the diamond?
3, 6. Ma'am, and 6.
Very good. So, on first days the number is 3, on the second days the number is 6. Now make two-digit number.
36, ma'am.
36. Then write the
Ma'am, 36.
it will go 36. 2 into 18, 36. 3 into
63, ma'am.
4 into 9, 6 into 6. Okay. Now another number is 63. 63 can be written as 3 into 21, 7 into 9. 7 nines are 63. That means 36 is multiple of 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12 and 18. And 63 is multiple of 3, 7, 9, 21. Isn't it? Now, in here we have some circles. So, 6 is there. In 6 we can write 6 is multiple of 36 is multiple of 6. So, in this circle we have to write 36. Okay. And 63 is multiple of 7. 63 is multiple of 7. So, in this we have to write
Teacher, but we can also 7 into 9. So, 7th, 163.
yes, ma. 63 is multiple of 7. So in 7 box we have to write 63. Okay. So, 36 is multiple of 6 and 4. So in these two boxes we are writing 36 and 36. Okay. So 36 is multiple of 4. 36 is multiple of 6. So whatever circles we have given here, in that only we are writing. Suppose all the circles, if it is given, we can write in all the circles 36. So, okay? Isn't it, ma'am? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now, here. See here, ma'am. Think of your common multiples. What are your common multiples? Let us see. Think of your number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red circle. If it is multiple of 5, write it in blue circle. Okay? So, first let us write multiples of 3, ma'am. Multiples of 3 means what? What do you mean by multiples of 3?
Ma'am, 3 ones are 3. The number which is multiplied by 3.
3 threes are
3, 4,
3, 4,
9, 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21, 3 8 are 27, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21, 24, 3 36, 3 10s are 30.
2 tens are 30. Very good. Okay, is it visible, ma'am? Now, multiples of 5 we have to. 5 ones are 5. 5
5
twos
2s are 10,
5 threes
5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50.
5 tens are 50. Okay, fine. Very good, ma'am. Very good. Now, what we have to do is we need to find the common multiples of 3 and 5. We need to find the common multiples of 3 and 5. So, for that, what I am doing is I am writing these numbers side by side. Okay. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27,
30.
Okay. Now, multiples of 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
35, 40,
40, 45,
So,
50.
now can you say which numbers are common in these both? Can you say which numbers are common in these both?
Ma'am, 15. 15.
Yes, 15 is common. So I am rounding off those two numbers in both. Okay, now another number
30.
30.
Ma'am, 30. 30.
30 is common. So here, suppose that this is one color and this is another color. Here multiples of 3. Here multiples of 5. So
5.
in this is the common portion. Okay. So in this, what are the numbers you have common here? That numbers
15,
we have to write.
30. 15, ma'am.
In this part, the leftover values 3, 6, 9,
6,
12,
12,
18,
18, 21, 24, 27.
Here, leftover in 5 multiples.
5,
10,
10, 20, 25,
40.
45, 45, 50.
Okay, so these are the multiples of 3, these are the multiples of 5. Then what are the common multiples here? What are the
15,
common
30.
multiples?
15, 30, ma'am.
So, common multiples of 3 and 5 are, what are the common multiples here?
30, ma'am. 15, 30. 15 and 30, ma'am.
15, 30. So the common multiples are 15, 30. In these two, which one is the least one?
15, ma'am.
Yes,
15.
least
15.
common
15.
multiple.
Least common multiple is 15.
So this is in short form. This can be written as LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. This is called least common multiple. Least common multiple means first we have to find all common multiples. From that, you have to collect the least number. So which is nothing but here 15. The common multiples of 3 and 5 are 15 and 30. So in these two, what is the least number? 15 is the least number. So the least common multiple of 3 and 5 is 3 and 5 is 15. Did you understand, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us find the least common multiple of 2 and 7.
2 and 7. Okay, ma'am.
2 and 7. Do it, ma. Who will say first? Let us see.
Ma'am, Udra. Yes, ma'am. Pratibha, ma'am.
Okay.
Ujjwala, ma'am.
Do it and tell me. Here multiples of 2. Here multiples of 7. We have to write. Okay. So 2 table I am doing. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4.
3 are 6. 2 4s are 8.
4s are 8.
2 5s are 10.
10.
2 6 are
12 to
8
7,
are
42,
12.
13,
2
13,
7s
20,
are 14. 2 8s are
2
16.
8 is
2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Now write 7 table. 7 1.
7, 7, 7 to the 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4
Is it
35.
visible to you? No. This side I will write.
I can't see this
Oh, yeah. This side I will write now. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s
7
are
3
21.
are 21.
7 4s are 28.
7
7 6 are 35.
7 6 are
42.
7
49. 7 8
Ma'am, 14 is the common.
7 9 are 63. 7 10 is 70. Now here we are.
It's 14, ma'am. It's 14.
Ma'am, 14 is common.
14, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Yes, yes. 14 is common. Next number. Any other number can we find here? No. Okay then. So here multiples of 2. Multiples of 2, right, ma? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20.
18, 20.
Now multiples are 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42,
49,
49,
56,
56,
63,
What
70.
is the common here? So 14 is the common. So then write
Common
the
number.
remaining numbers here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 20.
20.
But 7? 7, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Now, here what is the least common? The common multiple?
14.
Common multiple of
40. Please.
2 and 14. So 2 and 7 is equal to 14. We have only one multiple. So that is nothing but the least common multiple. Least common
Multiple
multiple of 2 and 7 is equal to
70, 40.
Remember, 2 and 7 is 14. Both are same only. Least common multiple and LCM both are same only. Okay, ma?
Have to use short forms, ma'am.
Teacher, if we have two multiples, if we have
Did you understand? Any doubt in this?
Yes.
Finding
No,
common-
ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. If we have two
Now you have to repeat the game by putting the multiples of 4, 5, and 6. Okay. 4, 5, and 6. Let us see that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now all of you write ma. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. Write it. Multiples of which number?
5, ma'am.
5. Okay. Multiples of 5 and multiples of
6.
6. Write it ma.
6, ma'am. Ma'am, we should also answer this.
Yes, yes. Do it. Do it in your classwork.
Four, 5, 6.
Okay. Now write ma. Multiples of 4.
Multiple of 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, 32, 36, 30, 40. Sorry, 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 6, 12, 50. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30,
32, 48.
54, 60.
Now we need to find the common multiple of 4 and 5 first. Find common multiples of 4 and 5. So what are the common multiples in 4 and 5? Do you have anything, ma? Only one is there, 40.
40.
Okay. So common
Ma'am, 15. Ma'am, ma'am, 30. 30, ma'am, 30.
30, where you will get in 4 table?
4 table, no, ma'am. In 6 table.
Just I'm asking common multiples of 4 and 5. Next, common multiples of
5 and
5 and 6. So common multiples are 4 and 5. Here we have to write. This is here we have 40. Okay. Now common multiples are 5 and 6. Check it, 5 and 6. 30 we have. Only 30 here we have.
Yes, ma'am.
30. So 5 and 6 were here. In this place you have to write 30. Okay. Now common multiples are
6 and
4 and 6. Check it. How many you have? 4 and 6. 12 you have.
12.
24 you
24.
have. Next,
36.
yes, 36 we have. Any other?
No, ma'am.
12, 24, 36.
Oh, 36.
Oh, here we have to write 4 and 6. 12.
12, 24, 36.
Now, in common multiple of 3. In these 3, what you have? Common multiple of 3 numbers. Do you have any numbers?
0. Nothing, ma'am.
So, what we will do is, this we will extend up to 12. Okay. Some more we can write, ma. So, 40, 44, 48, 52, next 56, 6.
And we cannot see.
Yeah, wait. Little bit extend up to 60 the numbers. Okay. Now, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Now,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have, now let us see the another common multiple.
Ma'am,
60.
60. 60.
In 6 table also 60 we have. Okay. So now least common multiple. Least common multiple of 4, 5 and 6. First write common multiple of 4, 5 and 6. So what is the common multiple of 4, 5 and
60, ma'am.
60 is the common multiple of 4, 5 and 6. So which is the that is the least common multiple of 4, 5 and 6 is
6. We have 48, ma'am.
where in 3 we
48.
don't have a- for 4 and 6 we have. Okay, 48 in 4, 5 and in 4 and 6. Common multiples of 4 and 6, 48 we have. But for these 3, 4, 5 and 6, what is the common multiple? 60 is the common multiple. Which is that is the least common multiple. So you know that clearly multiples of infinite. Okay, so many we have unless no limit for multiples. Okay, so you can write so many multiples for any number. Is it clear now? Here is an activity for you. Find the lowest common multiple of 10 and 12 by using 10 by 10 grid. That means what you have to do, you have to draw a grid, 10 by 10 grid, write 1 to 100 numbers in that. Okay, first color multiples of 10 with one color and multiples of 12 using another color. So on the one number, you will get two colors. Those are the common multiples of 10 and 12. From that, what you have to do, you have to take the least common multiple. To find the least common multiple, you have to write first common multiples and then from that you have to take the least one. So that is the LCM of 10 and 12. Okay. Now, More tamarind seeds. Amini is arranging 12 tamarind seeds in form of different rectangles. Try to make more rectangles like this using 12 tamarind seeds. How many different rectangles can you make? So in a previous class already how many squares you done it? So making rectangles using 12 rectangles using how many? Taking a small rectangle, a small square, how many rectangles you can make using 12? 12 squares, 12 one square unit. Okay, so like that here, how many ways we can make? Let us see. 12. 1 into 12. Okay, that we can do. So in one we can write 12 rectangles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, next. 2 table, 2 6 ja. That means in 2 columns, 6 rows we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next. 3 4 ja. So 3 columns, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Otherwise, 4 into 3 you can do. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. 1, 2, 3. So, 4 into 3 we can do. Like that, 6 into 2 we can do. Next one more. One more. 12. Anything we will get, ma? 12 into 1. 4, 5 is not go 6. 6 already we have. 7, 8, no. 9 will not go. 10 will not go. 11. Next 12 ones. So that means 12 rows, 1 column. 12 rows, 1 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So like this we can make how many rectangles we can make, ma'am? How many rectangles we can make? Let us see. See here. 2 6 ja, 6 2 ja, 4 3 ja, 3 4 ja, 12 1 ja, 1 into 12. So like this we can make rectangles. Okay, ma? So using 12 tamarind seeds, these are the different rectangles we can make here. Okay. Now, so one box you can think as it is a tamarind seed. One seed you can think. Now, how can you do using 15 seeds? How can you make different rectangles using 15 seeds? In 2 ways we can make. 15, where you will get 3 into 5, 5 into 3. 3 into 5 and 5 into 3. This is the arrangement. Now, if you have 20 seeds with you, how can you make for 20 seeds? For 20 seeds, how many rectangles you can make? Using 20 seeds? So 20. Tell me, ma. For 20 seeds, how can you make? Tell me. 1 into 20.
1 into 20.
2 into 10.
20 into 1.
4 5 next 5 4
5 4
not quite 20. 7 will not go. 8 no. 9 no. 10. 10 2 next 21. So if you can observe one thing, ma'am. After a particular time, we can reverse the numbers. See here, 5 4 10 2 21. So when you are getting the repetition, okay, we can stop it. Why? Because we can see these are the things. In multiplication, commutative property is there. 4 into 2 is nothing but 2 into 4. We will get the same answer.
Yes.
Okay. So that we can stop at the same time, at the particular value. Okay. Now, so these are the ways. How many ways? 6 ways we can. In 6 ways we can draw rectangles using 20 tamarind seeds.
20 tamarind seeds.
See here. So you can do some more also. So here 2 into 10 20. 10 into 2 20. 5 4 4 5 You can draw 6 also here. So 1 into 20. Here you can get, if you get 20 here, no, we are not getting 20 here. This is then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 only here we have. So we cannot do this one. Only 4 ways we can do. In these 4 ways we can do. In this grid you have 16 by 16 grid, that is. So we cannot draw 20 there. If you can extend the grid up to 20, you can do that also. Here the grid is given this much only, so we can do only 4 ways. Okay, ma? Now. So here we are writing 20 is equal to 1 into 20. That means that 20 is exactly divisible by the numbers. 20 is exactly divisible by the numbers. So here I want to say one thing here. So 20 can be written as 4 into 5. That means when we are multiplying two numbers, we are getting a product here. Okay. When we are multiplying with two numbers, 2 5s are 30. Okay. When we are multiplying any two numbers, we will get some answer. We will get some answer here. Okay. Then these two numbers are said to be factors of that number. These two numbers are said to be factors of 30. And you know that clearly. What is 30 called? 30 is multiple of 6 and 5.
Hi, madam.
6 and 5, multiple of 6 and multiple of 5. So this is the relation between factors and multiples. There is a small relation between factors and multiples. When we are multiplying two numbers, okay, those two numbers, we are getting one product, one answer here. That answer is said to be multiple of these two numbers. The numbers which we are multiplying, those are called factors of the answer. Factors of the number. Okay. So these are called factors of 30. 6 and 5 are factors of 30. So what we can write? Factors of 30 equals to 6 comma 5. Okay. 6 comma 5 factors. So multiples, I told you, multiples are infinite. We have infinite number of multiples. Whereas factors are finite. Finite factors means what? We have some limit. Suppose so I want to write multiples for 2. 12. I want to write multiples for 12. So how can I write multiples of 12? 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are, like that I can write so many, up to infinite. So many numbers I can write. When I am going to find the factors, that means, factor means when we are dividing this number with any number, it should be divided by exactly, leaving remainder 0. Okay. So when you divide this number with any number, the answer should be, the remainder should be 0. So 12. 1 12s are 12. Okay, so 1 into 12. 1 is a factor here. Now divide with 2. 2 6 are 12. So 2 into 6. Next divide with 3. 3 4s are 12. So 3 into 4. And that means when you are multiplying these two numbers, we are getting 12 there. Next 4. 4 3s are 12. Here we are getting reverse. Okay, 4 3s are. 5 will not go. So let us check with 5. 5 2s are 10. Here we are getting 2 remainder. So it is not a factor. Next 6. 6 2s are 12. So 6 2s are. Again 12 ones are. Okay. So when we are getting the same number, we should stop. So what are the factors, ma? These are the factors. So factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 12. So these much only we are getting factors. That means we can count how many factors it has. But when we are going to write the multiples of 12, can we stop somewhere? So why? Because multiples are infinite. So many 12 is 144, 12 20 is 240. Like that, so many numbers we will get. So many multiples we will get. Okay. So my factors are finite. And one more thing, the one and itself are one and the number itself always factors of the numbers. Okay. One is a factor of 12. 12 is also factor of 12. Okay, ma'am. And always the factors are less than or equal to the number. Multiples are greater than or equal to the number. You know that in last class we discussed. Like that, factors are less than or equal to the number. Okay, we can define factors in so many ways. Ma, let us see once. Multiplying two whole numbers is a product. The numbers gives a product. The numbers that we multiply are the factors of the product. So here 5 into 4 we are taking the example. So 5 and 4 are factor of 20. 20 is multiple of 4 and as well as 5. Isn't it? No. So how to find a factor? So just now we complete the factors of 12 we find out. So what we have to do? We have to divide with a number. If you divide the number with any number, if you get remainder 0, so it is a factor of that number. So 50, how can we write now? 1 into 50, 2 into 25, 5 into 10. So 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50 are the factors of 50. So more about factors. Some important points here. 1 is the factor of every number. Even 1 is the multiple of every number. You remember that, okay? Every number is factor of itself. Every number is multiple of itself also. Okay? 1 is the common factor for any 2 or more numbers. So if you have taken any 2 or more numbers, always 1 will be there as a common factor. Okay? These are some important points. See here. Here, this is 12 by 12 grid. So, here you have 12 numbers, here you have 12 numbers. Okay, ma'am? So, use the multiplication grid to identify the factors of the number 12. So, here, factors of number 12 we have to take. 12 factors you have to. So, 12 where you are getting 12, that you have to check. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, next 5. In 8th column we don't have, 9th we don't have, 10 we don't have, again in 12 we have. So what are the factors for here? 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 3 is the factor, 4 is the factor, 6 is the factor, and again 12 is the factor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Now, use the multiplication grid to find the factors of the following numbers. 24. Where you can get 24, ma? So, here you can get 24. Another color we will take. Yes. Here we have 24. In 3 table can we get? Yes. 3 8s are 24. Next 4 6s are 24. 5 table we won't get again. 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Next 12 2s are 24. Then what are the factors of 24, ma? Factors of 24. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12.
10.
10 is not there. 12. Okay? So that's the gives us find the factors for 36, 40 and 100. Okay? So where you will get 100, you have to check. Those are the factors for 100. Okay, ma? And if you can get up to, if you extend this, you can get 1 also as a factor. So you should not forget that 1 is always a factor for every number. So you have to include 1 also in that. Okay, ma? 1 also you have to include. Okay? Next. Let us go for the another one. See here. So this is the grid what we see in the previous slide. Okay. So here 1 12 2 2 6 12, 3 4 12, 4 3 12, 6 2 12. Okay. So and 12 1 12. So these are the factors. So 12 1 12, 6 2 12, 4 3 12. So what are the factors of here now? Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. And 12 is called multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 12 is multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And what are the factors of 12? 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. So this is the small difference between factors and multiples. If you know multiples, you can find the factors. If you know factors, you can find the multiples also. Okay, ma? Yes, ma? That's all for today's class. We will meet in the next class with another new topic. Till then, have a nice day, children.